Today I'm going to show you how to generate an SBOM for all the open source language components in your software project by simply querying the ActiveState Platform's Graphql Api. So now, as you can see, I'm currently logged into the ActiveState Platform. This is my account, and from here I'm just going to quickly go ahead and create a new project. It's going to be for Python. I'll accept that recommendation for the version. I want to build it for Linux and Windows and Mac. We'll make it a public project so everybody can see it. And I'm just going to call it something like SBOM test. Now I can also add my dependencies in right now. So let's do that simply by pasting them here, clicking the import button. And now you can see the platform is resolving all of my dependencies, making sure they all work together, there's no conflicts. I can go ahead and save these changes and kick off the build. So I'll go over to my Download Builds tab. You can see the Mac's already finished building, Windows very quickly, packaged up, everything's built here from source and packaged, ready to deploy in just a few minutes. Now every time I make a change or save a new version of my configuration, the ActiveState Platform takes a Git-like snapshot of it. And that's associated with this commit ID, which I'm going to need. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that now. So now that I have my project here and defined with my configuration, and it lists all my packages and all of my dependencies, I can go ahead and use our GraphQL API, which is located here at this endpoint, to create my software bill of materials. The GraphQL API also comes with interactive documentation. You can see I've set this one up to do an SBOM query. It has my organization name, it has the name of our project here, and it has our commit ID for the latest commit. And all I have to do is just run this query, and the endpoint returns a bunch of different information for each of the packages. For example, here is Jinja2. You can see it's a relationship to Flask. It's, I believe, the templating engine used for Flask. It has a license that's currently unknown, so the ActiveState Platform wasn't able to determine the license of the package right now. It has a checksum that you can verify that this was built securely, and it shows the supplier, of course, being ActiveState, and gives you a version as well. So all of this is all programmatically generated just by hitting our GraphQL endpoint. Shows every single package at both the dependency level and the transitive dependency level, all the way down to the OS level dependencies as well. So a complete list of all dependencies in your project. So as you can see, generating an SBOM for all the open source components in your application's runtime is just as simple as running a query against the ActiveState Platform's GraphQL API. So I encourage you to go ahead, give it a try.